we're a new cloud for NCP. So GMI Cloud is one of the 6 reference cloud of NVIDIA. So what we do is we provide GPU services to all end customers. Basically everyone here or a lot here that actually doing agent work, that doing multimodal work. Our goal is just to provide the most easy to use infrastructure and most cost efficiency. So everything we do is on infrastructure, and everything we do is to help every one of you here to better leverage your own edge and forget about infrastructure, at least for a bit. Today I'm going to cover a couple of points, overviews, things we've been doing, our strength, and some live demos as well. We're beginning from Inference Engine. We are one of the early providers of open source model tokens, and today we're also shifting our focus to cover more modalities, including videos, audios, embeddings, and TDS, basically. So key technical challenges, there are basically so many API providers, and there are so many open source models, and a lot of people want to host either their own LoRa or their fine-tuned models as well. But behind there was a common pain point, which is how you can basically connect to a cheaper compute, which is reliable and low latency. And here I'm proud to introduce our GMI Cloud Inference Engine 2.0, which is a second version of our previous version. The current version focusing on a couple features. First, our inference engine now became faster with a large adoption of the KV cache reuse. Right now, we can achieve about 80% of the KV cache hit rate if you are doing some agent work or any long context work that most people are fascinated about these days. And we're continuing to lower our price as well to provide you with the cheapest tokens or cheapest model host. I'm not sure how many of you are still on proprietary models. I believe a lot of you still are. But if you calculate the costs and gains, you will realize that if your work can be somehow overtaken by an open source model like GPU-OSS or DeepSeek, you're looking at least 10 times of cost saving. So sometimes reinforcement learning or fine-tuning is worth it if your work is good enough to be taken care of by an open source model. And if you really need an open source model, you can come to us for any kind of hosting or just token